Good morning students. Again another circuit. This is capacitor or C only circuit. In this circuit there is a capacitor of capacitance C joined to an AC supply. The AC supply, the circuit diagram is this. This capacitor is joined to the source or AC source, and the AC supply is V equal to V0 sin omega t. We know that the AC voltage or current changes regularly. So what happens at a particular point, the capacitor acquires the charge Q at time t. So to determine the current in the circuit, the charge taken by this capacitor is expressed as Q equal to CV. So Q equal to C and V is the supply V0 sin omega t. Differentiating both the side, this equation CV0 sin omega t. So differentiating both the side, so it is dq upon dt and d upon dt and this value. So here dq upon dt is the current, so we write I, and the differentiation of sin omega t is omega cos t. And this CV0 is a independent of time, so it is taken out. So CV0 omega cos omega t, or we can write omega C V0 cos omega t. Now we can change this cos in terms of sine, so we can write this cos omega t as sine 90 plus omega t, or omega t plus pi by 2. Here this omega C V0 is a constant and represented by I0, so it is equation 2. So this above equation can be written as I equal to, this is I0 sin omega t plus pi by 2. This is equation 3. So seeing these two equations or comparing these two equations, so we see the argument omega t and here it is omega t plus pi by 2. So it is clear that the phase difference is of pi by 2. The phasor diagram, this is a reference line, this is voltage V equal to V0 sin omega t and current I. So current I leads by phase pi by 2, the voltage. So current leads the voltage by pi by 2. So this is the phasor diagram. So we can say this I leads V by phase pi by 2, or we can say V is lagging behind the current I by phase pi by 2. The reactance or opposition means the opposition offered by this circuit in the flow of current or alternating current. So XC, it is represented by XC, or it is also called capacitive reactance. So V0 upon I0. So V0 upon I0, from equation 2, this I0 is omega C V0, omega C V0. So we can write XC equal to 1 upon omega C, or omega we can write 2 pi f. So if we plot a graph between XC and F, so they are reciprocal. So graph is like this. So this graph is asked in 1 mark in the board examination 2 times in the previous papers. So the graph will be like this. Thank you.